Let's see how to fix your frozen or hanging MacBook Neo. So let's say if your MacBook trackpad wasn't working, what you have to do is you need to restart your MacBook. That's the very first and must thing you need to do. It's actually quite easy. You need to press the Control, Option and Command. At the same time, lock button or touch ID. So if it is a touch ID model, you need to click the touch ID button. For me, it's lock button. There is no touch ID. So I need to press the lock button. These three and this lock button at the same time. After you see this window, the login window, you need to remove the lock button and keep all the three buttons. Yeah, just wait. It needs to completely turn off. Okay, I think it goes off. Leave it for like this. So this will turn off your MacBook Neo. Now just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you need to press the lock button. I just long press. That's it. It's done. It's get restarted. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about MacBook Neo, you need to watch this playlist.